All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Let's drop.
To a start, Abby makes the first hit. She took one. Here comes Tyson hitting Junior.
Big hit from Tyson.
Senior missed. Bailey.
Look out.
It looks like we got a few more balls.
Answer's lining up.
Abby going way off in the distance. Daryl chasing after her, but she snuck away. Coming in, hold on. Coming in behind it, giving her a love tap on the bum. Daryl Gatsby laying himself up to back injury. What looks like to be Senior, and he does. We have ourselves a little pile up in the corner.
Got a 5-car pile up.
Senior taking a big running start at it. Bailey pushes Junior out of his way. And here he comes straight after Senior. And he hit him.
2 hits in a row.
And it looks like Junior has pushed Bailey onto the board.
Adam's still fighting.
He might be this way. As we look off in the corner there, number 10, Tyson Olympian.
Still nobody pulls their flag.
Abigail flying around from in. Junior hit it from the side. Senior. Looks like
Flag low for Tyson O'Dickey.
And Daryl missed her. And there goes a pop. Wonder what that was. We go down to our final 4. Abigail getting away from the men because they are too smelly. I believe it. She is coming in. She's going to hit Junior. Oh, and Pop goes her brand. Senior with a hit on Daryl as he attacks Junior. And Junior coming in, makes a nice hit on Abby. Dale. Now looks like guys just driving around missing each other. Oh, no. Junior off the back end of Daryl there. Here we go. Looking up. Mile high turn. Daryl running away from Junior. And Senior hit him from the other side.
A poacher sandwich.
I hear those are very delicious. And ladies and gentlemen, it looks like Abigail is still sitting in the corner. Hopefully she can get her way out of here. If not, we are down to the final 3. Who are all just dancing around, ladies and gentlemen. We are on pins and needles up here waiting for the first hit. Daryl got
A narrow
his
miss.
way. And Junior caught Daryl coming around the corner, and he hit him on the side. Junior's coming after Senior now. Just missed. And just like that, we are down to our final 2.
Poitress and poitress.
Senior and Junior, father and son, maybe. I don't know how they're related, folks.
That's it.
Oh,
And just like that, the flags are being waved. Daryl's flag was pulled as Junior came around.